So we're going to cook some drumsticks, some chicken wings on the Weber Kebab System, and with Jack's Meat Shack rub. Right, just putting the last chicken wing on, and we're ready to cook this, and I'm going to cook this on the Weber Q3200 on the rotisserie system. Look at these lovely chickens, Sherwood Foods, really looking forward to this. So these have been on for 3/4 an hour, and they're now ready to sauce, and it's very easy on this system. And we're using the Mississippi original. Look at that. So these babies are ready, so let's give them a try. Look how easy it is. Lovely. And I'm not going to mess around. Oh, a bit hot. Mississippi sauce, Jack's rub, perfect on the rotisserie.